Do you want to work in finance, earn a high salary, and work from home? That brilliant combination of three things is not that easy to find, right? And in this video, I'm going to give you an example of how you could do those three things. So stay tuned to listen and find out more. So how do you work in finance, earn a high salary, and work from home? You could pursue a career working as a quant in quantitative finance. These are people who can effectively develop mathematical models, do intense financial research, and come up with financial algorithms. They understand a bit of coding, they understand risk management, they can make investment decisions based on their in-depth analysis as a quant, and they can assess financial risk using statistical methods, things like econometrics, which you might have heard of, working with various complex computational tools and software, and create and optimize trading algorithms, coming up with trading execution methods, working on different market scenarios, dealing with financial forecasting, financial modeling, all the complex elements of financial analysis that surrounds trading. These are all the skills you need, because these type of jobs, these quant jobs, quantitative finance, you could look up the term, they pay well, and that's point number two. Now, these high-paying roles, they will pay $200,000 or more, for example, working at JP Morgan, that allow 40% work from home as a quantitative research analyst, doing all that complex research around trading strategies. There's another role which is around market making, and when it comes to interest rate swaps and things like that, and other roles working at Citi as a quant developer, where you have 2 days to work from home per week. So these type of roles, why are they a bit more open to working from home, right? Because, and paying well. Firstly, they pay well because this is incredibly demanding, taxing, tactical, financial knowledge and research you need to be able to do. Hopefully, we'll come on to the skills you need to have in a moment, but this is why it pays well. So you know it's paying well. And why do they let you work from home? Because you need to focus. This isn't a job you need to be in the office in terms of playing office politics, sucking up to management. You don't need to be out there meeting up with clients in client meetings. This isn't a sales role. It's not a trading role where you might need to be in the workplace to talk to colleagues quite quickly, to make quick trading decisions, be on the phone with clients, lean over to your team member and say, how should we trade this? How should we price this? It's not one of those sales and trading roles, but it's supporting sales and trading. And typically, and I've seen this at major American investment banks where I've worked, these guys, they sit by themselves, they do a lot of research, talk a bit with their team members, a lot of time thinking, a lot of time of analysis, seeing through all the fog and the cloud, essentially the fogginess and the noise that comes around a particular pricing of a particular industry and stock, to really see the truth by thinking it through carefully, analyzing some good news, some misleading news, analyzing the company's financials, the annual report, all these type of detailed elements, and coming up with a trading strategy. So they need to be in quiet environments. They don't need to be on the trading floor, even if they support the trading floor. So they can work from home. And the companies that are hiring, as you can see in Citi and JP Morgan, they're happy for you to work from home. So if you're willing to develop that skill set, and that's point number three, if you're willing to develop those technical skills, maybe getting a PhD in econometrics, developing those 3 or 4 years of experience in general financial experience after developing those specific, highly technical economics and financial analysis skills, then you'll be able to get a role like this. And I know many people watching this right now, you're probably working in the office, probably stressed out with maybe some of the office politics. It's not your type of personality. You're maybe the type of person who wants to do the financial research and get paid quite well for it, work from home in a quiet environment, save that very high salary for future investments and lifestyle plans. These are all great things. This is exactly what you should be doing, right? If this is your personality type. Maybe you're the type of person who'd like coding. If you're in the tech industry, this is a similar thing essentially. So point number one, you want to work from home, earn a high salary, and work in finance. Consider quantitative finance roles. Number two, it pays high, high paying role. And number three, it's dependent on your interest in developing highly skilled technical knowledge of finance. Thanks for listening. There are 2 recommended videos on your screen right now. Feel free to check out the ebook in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.